Hello, friends! Today we're making our very first homemade stamp, perfect for decorating stationery, diaries, or even creating your own logo. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy. Here's what you'll need: a large plastic bottle cap, some cardboard or foam sheets, multi-purpose glue, scissors, and an ink pad, or just a sponge soaked in paint. Step 1. Draw a simple design on your cardboard or foam. It could be a star, a flower, or even a letter. Step 2. Carefully cut out your design with scissors. If your stencil has tiny holes, a craft knife will help. Step 3. Glue your design onto the bottle cap. Remember, if you're making letters, stick them on backwards like a mirror so they print the right way round. Step 4. Press your new stamp into ink or paint, and then press it on paper. And that's it! Your very own handmade stamp. For more fun projects and fascinating science, subscribe to OYLA Magazine. Check the description box for more information.